Hey, namaskar everyone. This is Shourav Roy, and I'm back with a brand new Golang series. So, in this series, we are going to learn Golang together. We'll cover really advanced topics in an easy manner, and here I'm not going to waste any time. So, without talking further, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to this address go.dev, which is the official website for Golang, and from here you can just simply come here and click on the get started. You can download it, or just simply go here and view the install documentation. From here you will find out how you can download and install this Golang in your operating system. It might be a Mac for you, Windows for you, or Linux for you. They have the complete documentation. If you didn't find anything good here, so let's say if you are using Mac, just simply go for Homebrew. And from Homebrew you just need to search for Go. My bad. Homebrew, it should be Golang. Oops, my bad. Golang. It's showing me the Golang migrate, but simply come here as Go Homebrew, and we can find out the formulas here just by copying this and running this command in your terminal will update the Golang for you, or install the Golang for you. Okay, for if you are using Windows, just go for chocolatey. Windows, go for packages, and search for Go. Here you can see that Go programming language. As usual, I'm not going to edit this video, so from here you just need to copy this and paste this on your terminal and run it. It will install it. If you want to uninstall it, just simply use this command. To upgrade, use this command. This is really simple for Windows and Mac. So for install Golang using apt, so you can follow this kind of documentation to install Golang for your corresponding operating system. But I'm not going to deep dive into the installing part. It should be up to you because you must need to learn something, right? So let's go and cover up our first thing. So that was a Rust project, and I would like to go for Golang YouTube. Go YouTube, and here I would like to open up my VS Code editor. The code editor might be different for you, but I will use this. Simply come here and search for Golang, and you'll find out this Go. You just need to install it. Fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go for day 1. Where I need to run. First of all, I need to know my Go version. So I'm using Go version on 22.0. That's fine. How to initialize it? So let's go for day 1. Go mod init Roy day 1. Okay. So we have created the package for it inside day 1. Just simply come here, and it requires on entry point file, which is the main.go, and it will require a function named main. So let's make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it quite well. So this is the code that we want. So before that, we need to import a package called main, because this is the main package of this entire directory. Okay, this is the main entry point. So I'm gonna create a function. For that, we need to use func. Oh, sorry, it's not Rust. Func, and need to name the function name, which is main. And this is how you are creating the main function here. That's okay. So how you can do something here? So let's print something. So to do that, you need to import another package called fmt.println. This need to print something on your screen. So I'm gonna go for hello or namaskar everyone, and this is it. How you'll run it? Simply come here, go run main.go. Here you will see namaskar everyone. This is the simple typical hello world project for Golang, but we are not gonna stop here today because I need to show you a little bit more concepts, which is variables in Golang, the first day. So in other languages, it is little bit unlike other languages, it is a little bit different. So how you can declare a variable here? Just simply, if you wanna go for name, for first name, let's say, okay, so let name, which is a string, oh, it's not let, var name, which is a string, and this is going to be show. Okay, so why this is showing us the error? It is simple because this name is declared but it is not used. That's why it's showing us the warning. So how you can use it? Just simply I'm gonna use fmt.println, and let's go for my name is make a space and name here, and if you run it again, so here you can see my name is Saurabh. It's pretty straightforward. If you remove this, let's see how it works. It's good. Fine. So I hope you understand how variables work in Golang, but this is not the only way to declare a variable. And what is this string? This is the type of this variable. Okay, this value. This variable will only take the string type of values. If you are coming here and setting something like 100, it won't work because cannot use 100 untyped integer. Int means integer constant, as a string value is variable declaration. The variable has been declared with a string type, but why we are using value which is integer, it's not acceptable here. So to accept it, we must need to change the type of it. So what is this type? This is the type is integer, right? So we can simply use int instead of string, and here we can see that it's now integer. So if you run it, it will show us my name is 100, which is pretty weird, right? But it is as it is. So now what I was telling before, that this is not the only way to declare a variable, but we have some other methods as well. So let's see one by one them. So I mean not one by one, because this is a last method. Okay, so how we can use it? So let's say okay, sorry, let's say I'm gonna use a email variable. That here we need this clone and then an equal sign. This is the way we are gonna declare a variable, and I'm gonna go for s@s.com, and this is it. So how we can print it? Just it is the same classic error that we have declared the email variable, but still we are not using it. That's why it is giving us the error. So we have the fp, the email address is my bad, okay, the email address is this variable. We're gonna referring this variable. Okay, so if you run this again, so here you can see the email is s@s.com. So how it's working? See, if you're gonna hovering this variable, it's showing you this. It is under the hood. It is using var email string. It is actually inferring everything. Okay, it's a dynamic value. It's still static, but it's just doing it under the hood. That's how you can do it. Most of the time you will see in Golang projects people are using this because it's a little bit more efficient and pleasing to eyes. Okay, but this is it doesn't mean that this method is useless. We'll use this kind of variable implementation in upcoming videos when we will need them actually. So this was the variable declaration here with two methods and the main entry file. So that is it for day one. I hope you have learned a little bit of Golang today, the basics, but it will help you, and I promise you that I'm gonna make really in-depth videos on Golang from now. So thank you. Namaskar everyone.